and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. Reserve Bank exposes Goa budget, indicates all is not well with the state's finances. RBI analysis exposes Goa's financial mismanagement. GBA wants a special meeting with CM on regional plan violations. Charges CM for not keeping his word to meet CM on 15th April. Thivi farmers oppose GCA's proposed cricket stadium. Farmers say proposed land comes under no development zone. Mining traffic to resume in Kepe Kutsure from Monday. Only 2 trucks per minute. Operators to strictly abide traffic and pollution control rules. Dempo Sports Club beat Kingfisher East Bengal 1-0 in I-League. Victory makes Dempo League leaders. And Services win team championship at 50th National Bodybuilding Championship. Goa's Rama Bhatt wins gold medal in 60 kgs category. And now the news in detail. All is not well with the Goa state finances. That's what the Reserve Bank of India says. The RBI in its latest analysis has exposed the government's gimmick in the state budget. Report indicates the public debt is going beyond repaying capability and the government is using the raised capital to meet its routine expenditure. Prudent Media said it too in the last Sunday budget Panchanama.
Prudent has the latest report of RBI for the year 2009-2010. It has exposed the facts. Look at this. Government had said the 2009-2010 budget will have 482 crore fiscal deficit. RBI says it will touch a figure of 1,389 crore. The net public debt should be limited to 25% of the gross state domestic product. Look here, it has touched 35.8%. That means 11% above the limit. This is beyond repaying capacity of the state. Government projects the annual central grant and aid of 350 to 400 crores. But look at this. In 2007-2008, Goa just got 148 crore from centre. In 2008-2009, it was just 183 crores. The non-planned, non-development expenditure has touched 1,658 crores in past 3 years. Have a look at the full table. Goa tops all the state in non-planned, non-development expenditure in percentage. A huge army of 49,000 and odd government servants, burden of their salaries, allowances and the GPF has created this crisis. Look at this. Compared to the gross fiscal deficit of the state, the revenue deficit and non-planned expenditure is shooting up. This means government is using the raised capital to meet its routine expenditure. The centre increased the rate of mining royalty last year, which gave Goa an unexpected revenue of 250 crore. Government had a sigh of relief. Now if the proposed ban by China on low-grade ore comes into force, it will disrupt the budget arithmetic. Government is expecting 274 crore from mining royalty during current financial year. The commercial tax recovery has fallen short by 200 crore during last financial year. State collects around 1,000 to 1,200 crore of commercial tax annually. But the government has enhanced the figure to 1,400 crore for current financial year. Central sales tax has reduced in last 4 years from 4% to 1%. it won't exist from next year. But still government says central sales tax revenue will increase from 56 crore to 90 crore next year. However, the efforts of government to enlarge the budget size have been exposed by the RBI report. Even the method of calculating the fiscal deficit of state is itself questionable. Chief Minister will be attending the meeting with the Planning Commission on 13th of this month. This is to approve the plan for current financial year. Planning Commission will have the RBI analysis report. How will the government convince the Commission that it follows fiscal discipline and rules? Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Goa Bachao Abhiyan wants a special meeting with the CM within a time frame on the Regional Plan 2021 violations. Abhiyan will meet the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath on 15th with this demand. GBA says the violations with regard to the proposed regional plan are continuing in spite of CM's assurances.
Goa Bachao Abhiyan held a meeting with various village-level committees in Panji to discuss on the violation with regard to Regional Plan 2021. Villagers deliberated on the issues. Finally, GBA decided to meet the Chief Minister. Abhiyan wants a special meeting to be conveyed within a fixed time frame.
8 दिसां भितर आमकां एक मीटिंग जाय हे सगळे वायलेशन्स डिस्कस करपाक आनी ते वायलेशन्स हिल कटिंग मागीर फील्ड फिलिंग मँग्रोव्जान कन्स्ट्रक्शन मागीर जे रस्ते नासतना बिल्डिंगेक परमिशन दिवप मागीर जे प्रोजेक्ट्स जे आसा जे सरकारी प्रोजेक्ट्स म्हणटा आनी रिजनल प्लॅनान दाखोवना हे सगळ्याचे बद्दल चर्चा करपाक आमकां एक स्पेशल मीटिंग जाय 8 दिसां भितर आनी जरी तर सरकार हे आयकना और आमकां ती मीटिंग दिना आनी एक्शन घेना कित्याक कांय जाग्यार कायदे आसा पूण ते इम्प्लिमेंट जायना जरी तर हे एक्शन जायना जाल्यार आमी एक आमचे फुडले पावल मारतली कांय आमचे प्लॅन ऑफ एक्शन आमी ठरयला ते मीटिंग जातकूच आमी ते मांडटले.
GBA demanded that the government should first acquire the land from the rich instead of depriving the poor of their piece of land. GBA also demands that the government should acquire land as per the market rate and not the government price schedule.
दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे की जेन्ना ते जमीन घेतात लोक म्हणटाले 5 रुपयांक 6 रुपयांक अशे जमीन विकती घेता ती तांणी मार्केट रेटाचे कॉम्पन्सेशन गरज आसा जाल्यार दिवची. तिसरी गजाल जे कितें जे इको सेन्सिटीव झोन आसा ते कन्स्ट्रक्शना खातीर वापरचे न्ही ही एक मागणी. आतां असो एक कायदो आसा की समज एकदम चड गरज आसा फॉर नॅशनल नीड तेन्ना एक्वायर करपाक जाता पूण दॅट इज इन एक्स्ट्रीम सिट्युएशन अशें चालते हाका न्ही आनी जाता ते आमी म्हणटा की जी गरिबांची जी जमीन आहा कोणाक ल्हान ल्हान जे शेत रोवन पोट भरता ते पोटाचे आड येवचे न्ही आनी जांची खूब जमीन आसा जे मालमत्ता आसा तेंची जमीन पयली घेवची गरिबांची जमीन हात लावची न्ही.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media.
Tivi villagers and farmers have strongly opposed the GCA's proposed cricket stadium at Tivi. Villagers claim this land comes under the Eco Zone 1 as per the proposed Regional Plan 2021. It's a no development zone. Goa Cricket Association has started the preliminary work of the project.
Farmers were a part of the meet organized by Goa Bachao Abhiyan in Panji on the proposed regional plan on Sunday. Tivi Cricket Stadium is a part of GCA initiative to construct a world-class cricket stadium in Goa. State Cabinet has already given in principle an approval for this project in March 2007. In February, the government has also handed over the land to the GCA to start constructing the stadium. However, Tivi villagers claim this land is in the no development zone.
All this total amount of land comes under Eco Zone 1. Now there are more than 5,000 trees in the 45,000 square meter that has been acquired. So when the forest is cut, everything will go. Heat will increase. Now there are peacocks, porcupines, different types of wildlife. Everything will go to be destroyed. We are not saying that we don't want the stadium. Each and every person, if you go to ask in a way, they'll say we are in favor of the cricket stadium and they want IPL matches as per whatever is said to us. We want it, but they should think that they shouldn't touch the eco-sensitive zones. Let them shift to some other place or make it in such a way that nothing is destroyed. It doesn't have adverse effects on the environment.
Recently, farmers rejected the compensation of rupees 5 per square meter offered by the government. Government has acquired 1.30 lakh square meters of land for the project.
अजूनपर्यंत तरी कोणाक एक पैसो कोणीच घेवंक ना आनी कोण दिव आमी कोणूच दिवपाक तयार ना. आमी पयलींच पण सांगला की आमचो ओपोज आमची शेतां आमकां जाय कित्याक आमच्या वडिलांनी शेतां करून येवन तेचे वरसून आमी वयर सरलेले आहा आनी आमचे शेतां आमकां जाय कित्याक आमचीय भुरगीं आहा फाल्यां ही तर आयज शेतां गेली जाल्यार थंय तूं स्टेडियम बांद नाल्यार फाल्यां तूं बिल्डींग बांदतली. एकदां शेतां तुमी घेवन गेल्यात आमची काय आमकां परत कांय ती मेळची ना न्हू. तेका लागून आमचो विरोध तसोच की आमकां स्टेडियम तूं खंय तरी बांद पूण आमची शेतां आमी दिवपाक रेडी ना.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Sunny Narvikar for Prudent Media.